Scientists have recently identified an Earth-sized exoplanet named TOI 700e orbiting within the habitable zone of its star using data from NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite TESS. This habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone, is the range of distances from a star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. The newly discovered exoplanet is believed to be rocky and is 95 the size of Earth. Previously, astronomers had discovered 3 exoplanets in the same system, named TOI 700b and D, with planet D also orbiting within the habitable zone. However, it took an additional year of TESS observations to identify the 4th exoplanet, TOI 700e. According to Emily Gilbert, a postdoctoral fellow at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California, who led the research. This is one of only a few systems with multiple small, habitable zone planets that we know of. That makes the TOI 700 system an exciting prospect for additional follow-up. TOI 700 is a small, cool M dwarf star located about 100 light-years away in the southern constellation Dorado. In 2020, Gilbert and others announced the discovery of the Earth-sized habitable zone planet D, which has a 37-day orbit, as well as 2 other exoplanets. The innermost exoplanet, TOI 700b, is about 90 the size of Earth and orbits the star every 10 days. TOI 700CE is over 2.5 times larger than Earth and completes an orbit every 16 days. TESS uses a technique called transits, where it monitors large areas of the sky for approximately 27 days at a time to track changes in the brightness of stars caused by exoplanets crossing in front of them from our perspective. This mission started observing the southern sky in 2018, before moving on to the northern sky. In 2020, it returned to the southern sky for additional observations, which allowed the team to refine their initial calculations of the exoplanet sizes, which were about 10 smaller than initially estimated. Further research of the TOI 700 system using both space and ground-based observatories is ongoing and is expected to provide valuable insights into this rare and unique exoplanet system. Thanks for watching.